To get started with Vue's reactivity system, we first import the reactive and watchEffect functions from Vue. The reactive function is used to create a reactive state, while watchEffect is used to run side effects in response to reactive state changes. Here, we define a reactive state called state with a single property count initialized to 0. This reactive state will be the source of truth for our application state. Next, we create a watchEffect. This function takes another function as an argument, which runs immediately on creation and subsequently anytime one of its reactive dependencies changes. In this case, whenever state count changes, it will log the count to the console. Let's see it in action. If we increment the count property on our reactive state like so, the watchEffect we defined previously will automatically run its effect. And there you see the updated count logged to the console. The console outputs the count is 1, indicating that the reactive effect has successfully detected the change to the state. Furthermore, if we directly set the count property to a new value such as 10, our watchEffect will trigger once again, logging the new value. And again, the console outputs the new value indicatively. The count is 10. Our reactive system is in place and responding to state changes as expected. Finally, let me demonstrate that watchEffect not only responds to changes but also runs immediately when it's created. So when we define a new watchEffect that simply logs effect is running and after that update the count, the effect runs twice, once upon creation and once after the state change. As expected, when we check the console we see the messages effect is running, followed by the updated count. The count is 20, and effect is running again, showing the immediate and reactive nature of watchEffect.